Okay, welcome back to the deep dive. Today, we're digging into just one source, actually. It's a YouTube review, pretty detailed, looking into this website called TikReview.com.
Right.
And this site, it makes this, well, huge promise, doesn't it? That you can get instant rewards just for, putting in some basic info and doing some deals they suggest.
Sounds almost too easy.
Exactly, like effortless money.
Okay, so let's unpack this a bit. Our mission here, really, is to pull out the main reasons this YouTube investigator is basically saying, hold on, be careful.
Yeah.
We're aiming to spot, like, 5 specific red flags
Yeah.
that hint maybe this isn't about rewards at all. Maybe it's something else.
Right. So let's start with red flag number 1. It's kind of simple,
Yeah.
but very telling,
Yeah.
just how old the site is.
Or how new it is.
Exactly. The source found it was only registered back in October 2025.
Yeah, which makes it super, super recent.
Yeah.
Barely established, if at all, yet it acts like it's been around forever.
So why is that so fishy? I mean, every site has to start somewhere, right?
Well, yeah, but think about it. When a site is that new and making these big promises about money, it just feels off. There's no history.
No track record.
None. You've got zero idea if they actually pay out, if they're reliable. And that ties into our last point later, if they just popped up. How could anyone trust them yet?
Good point. So it suggests either they don't know what they're doing, or maybe...
Or maybe they want to be hard to trace. Keep a low profile before disappearing.
Okay, so that's the age thing. Then the reviewer tried to actually sign up. And that brings us to red flag 2. The navigation is misleading.
Oh, yeah, this part was weird.
You click the big Get Started Now button thinking, okay, here we go.
And poof, you're on a totally different page. Like, completely unrelated to getting any reward.
That just kills trust instantly, doesn't it?
Absolutely. Real services want you to sign up smoothly, easily. This kind of redirection, it smells like maybe the site is just trying to get you to click on affiliate links or something.
Like a funnel.
Exactly. It feels less like a business trying to give you something and more like,
Yeah.
well, manipulation right from the start.
Okay, so then we get to the core promise, the actual rewards. This is where it gets really interesting. Red flag 3, the reward loop.
The endless cycle.
Yeah, the investigator just got stuck. The site kept asking for more and more stuff.
Fill out this survey, click that deal, verify this.
Over and over. But the money, the reward they talked about.
Never showed up. Not once.
So if the main thing the site promises, the payout, just doesn't happen.
And you have to ask, right, what is the point? What are they getting out of it? Clearly, they're getting your time, your clicks, maybe your data. They're definitely getting value from you, but you get nothing back. That's not a reward system.
Which leads right into maybe the biggest issue. Red flag 4.
Yeah.
The total lack of transparency.
Yeah, this one's pretty damning.
The investigator looked everywhere for the basics you'd expect from any legit site. Nothing.
Yeah.
Zero contact details. No privacy policy telling you what they do with your info. No social media links. Nothing.
Wow. That's bold. It's like setting up a shop with no address, no phone number, no business license on the wall.
And they're asking for your personal information.
Exactly. They want your data, but they won't tell you how they'll use it or protect it because there's no policy. That's not an oversight. That feels deliberate, like they want to be anonymous.
Okay, and the final nail in the coffin, really. Red flag 5. Absolutely zero external proof it works.
Right. The source looked beyond the site itself, searched the web.
And found?
Nada. No user reviews saying, I got paid. No chatter on forums. Nothing on sites like Trustpilot where people usually complain or praise.
So no one anywhere seems to be confirming that this thing actually delivers.
Pretty much. It exists in a vacuum.
Okay, so let's pull this all together for you listening. We've got these 5 things.
Yeah, it's super new. The sign-up process is weird and redirects you. The rewards never actually come.
Plus, no way to contact them or know what they do with your data, and zero proof from anyone else that it's real.
It paints a pretty clear picture, doesn't it?
Yeah.
The source basically says, think very, very carefully before you engage with this site.
So, connecting this to the bigger picture, the pattern here seems really obvious now.
It does.
It asks for your info, promises cash for doing tasks, but it's untraceable, brand new, gives nothing back, and just seems to, well, collect your data and clicks in the meantime.
So here's the thought to leave you with. When you see a setup like this, looks like rewards, acts like data collection, and hides from any kind of accountability,
Yeah.
is the goal really about giving rewards? Or is it maybe just a really efficient way to harvest information, maybe sell it, maybe use it for something else, all in this sort of unregulated space where they can just vanish when they're done?
That's a really important question to ask yourself before you click get started.
Definitely something to think about.